Artificial intelligence is changing the world at an unprecedented speed, revolutionizing industries, automating jobs, and even making life easier with smart assistants, self-driving cars, and AI-generated content. But behind all the excitement, there's a darker side that few people talk about. Today, we'll uncover the hidden risks of AI, from mass surveillance to job loss, bias, and even the potential for AI to go rogue. Is AI truly under control? Or are we creating something we can't stop? Let's dive into the dark side of AI and reveal what they aren't telling you. 1. AI and mass surveillance. AI has made surveillance easier, faster, and more powerful than ever before. Governments and corporations use AI-driven facial recognition and data tracking to monitor people in real time. In some countries, AI-powered cameras can identify and track citizens 24/7, creating a digital prison where privacy no longer exists. Even in democratic nations, companies like Google, Facebook, and Amazon collect and analyze billions of data points, your location, your searches, your conversations, to predict and manipulate human behavior. Think you have privacy? Think again. 2. AI replacing human jobs. One of the biggest fears surrounding AI is automation. AI isn't just taking over low-skill, repetitive jobs, it's coming for white-collar professions too. 1. AI can write articles, code software, and create art, jobs that once seemed safe. 2. Doctors and lawyers are already using AI to analyze medical data and legal documents faster than any human can. 3. AI-powered robots in factories are eliminating thousands of jobs every year. As AI improves, the gap between the rich and poor will grow wider. Those who control AI will profit massively, while millions struggle to adapt to a world where human labor is no longer needed. Are we headed for a jobless future? 3. AI and hidden bias. Most people think AI is neutral, but that's a lie. AI learns from human-created data, which means it inherits human bias. AI has already made racist hiring decisions, unfair loan approvals, and biased law enforcement choices. For example, 1. Facial recognition systems misidentify people of color at much higher rates. 2. AI hiring tools have discriminated against women and minorities, rejecting them without fair evaluation. 3. Predictive policing. AI targets certain communities unfairly, reinforcing discrimination. When AI is biased, it amplifies inequality instead of fixing it. 4. Deepfakes and misinformation. The AI weapon. An AI-generated deepfake technology can create fake videos, fake voices, and fake news that look 100% real. We are entering an era where seeing is no longer believing. 1. AI can clone a person's voice to scam their family or commit fraud. 2. Fake AI-generated videos can destroy reputations or manipulate elections. 3. AI-written news articles can spread propaganda and misinformation faster than fact-checkers can respond. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. If AI can rewrite reality, how can we trust anything? 5. AI and autonomous weapons. AI isn't just revolutionizing technology, it's transforming warfare. Autonomous drones, AI-powered missiles, and robotic soldiers are being developed to fight wars without human control. 1. AI weapons can identify and eliminate targets automatically. 2. Countries are racing to develop AI military tech, creating a dangerous arms race. 3. If AI-powered war machines fall into the wrong hands, the consequences could be catastrophic. Will AI make war deadlier than ever? Or will it be the end of us? 6. Can we control AI before it's too late? Even AI's biggest creators, including Elon Musk, Jeffrey Hinton, and Sam Altman, have warned about AI's potential dangers. Some experts fear that superintelligent AI could one day become too powerful to control. 1. AI is already writing its own code and improving itself faster than humans can keep up. 2. If AI develops goals that conflict with human survival, we may not be able to stop it. 3. Some scientists believe AI could become a new form of life, evolving beyond our control. Are we creating something that will outthink and outlive us? Final thoughts. AI is a double-edged sword. AI is both the greatest opportunity and the greatest risk of our time. It has the power to improve lives, revolutionize industries, and solve problems we once thought impossible. But in the wrong hands, or if left unchecked, AI could also destroy privacy, steal jobs, spread lies, and even pose an existential threat to humanity. So the real question isn't, is AI dangerous? It's, who controls AI and how will they use it? Will AI be our greatest ally or our biggest threat? Only time will tell.